With the AR mobile template, we can use the XR simulator to run, develop, and test the application without needing a phone. You can find more information and the capabilities of XR Simulator on the Unity's documentation website. You can open the XR environment window by clicking on the menu window, then XR, then AR Foundation, then on the XR environment. You can install more environments by selecting the option Import Sample Environments. It will download and import the environments to the project. After the download finish, you can click on the button Import on the Import window. It will then copy the files to the project. Once it is complete, you can now select the desired environment using the drop-down list on the XR Environment window. Now, you can hit the play button and start the game using the simulated environment to test the application. Now, let's select another environment in the XR Environment window. Hit the play button. Then, the project scene will be loaded. Once it's loaded, you will be in game mode. Click in the button Continue. You can control the camera rotation by holding and moving right button of your mouse. As you move your camera, you will see the detected planes in the scene. To move, you can press and hold the mouse's right button and press keys W, A, S, and D to move, and the keys E and Q to control the height of the camera. Now, you can click in the scene using the left button of your mouse to spawn cubes. You can also use the mouse scroll to scale the selected cube. You can also use the mouse scroll to scale the selected cube. Now, you are ready to start develop and learn from the base project. I wish you all the best.